The Merach Mini Massage Gun M1S. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a mini massage gun, the M1S by Merach. I will go over specs, features, and then test it out. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, and a total of 4 interchangeable heads. The massage gun features 8 hours of usage on low speed, or 20 minutes per day for 7 days. 2500 milliamp battery, 3 speeds, 1500, 2500, and 3500 RPMs. 4 interchangeable silicone heads, aluminum alloy housing, and USB-C for charging. Taking a look at the massager, it's definitely small and compact compared to your traditional massage guns. It has some good weight to it and it feels solid, with its aluminum housing all around. And you have the branding on the side. On the back you have the on and off button, the speed control, and the LED. The bottom has a USB-C charge port and the charge LED. Installing and removing the attachment is simple. Just pull gently and it will pop out, and push to install the new head. You have 4 to choose from depending on the muscle group that you will use it on. This is how it sounds like. Speed level 1. Speed level 2. And speed level 3. The massage gun comes in at 131 millimeters by 39 by 121 millimeters. It weighs in at 385 grams. The Merach Mini Massage Gun M1S is an impressive small device. It's compact and easy to take on the go. The build quality is solid with its aluminum housing, 3 power levels to choose from, and it can easily work the tissue or muscle group you are targeting. I like that it has multiple attachments as well. It's easy to grip and very light, so your hands will not get tired. This is definitely a good choice if you're looking for a portable mini massage gun, and the price point is competitive. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.